Hi, today let's try to understand what fertile window is because many couples trying to conceive ask the same question, which are the best days to try for pregnancy? And the truth is a woman can get pregnant only during a very small window of a few days each month, which is called as the fertile window. Understanding these fertile days can significantly improve your chances of getting pregnant naturally. Today I'll explain how the period cycle or the menstrual cycle works and how to calculate fertile days and the best time for intercourse when trying to get pregnant. So we'll first begin with trying to understand the menstrual cycle. A normal period or menstrual cycle typically lasts between 21 to 35 days, although many women have cycles around 28 days also. So the day 1 of the cycle is the first day of menstrual bleeding or your period bleeding. During the first half of this cycle, hormones stimulate the ovary to develop an egg inside a structure called as follicle. Follicle is like a house, imagine. When the follicle becomes mature, the ovary releases the egg. It's like a burst of a flower. This process is called ovulation. Ovulation is the key event that determines the fertile window. So, what is happening during ovulation? Ovulation usually occurs about 14 days before the next period. However, it's not necessarily on the 14th day for everybody, but around the same time. For example, in a 28-day cycle, ovulation occurs around day 14. In a 30-day cycle, ovulation occurs around day 16. In a 32-day cycle, ovulation occurs around day 18. So this is how you should calculate. Once released, the egg survives only for about 12 to 24 hours. Some believe even lesser, about 8 to 12 hours only. If sperms fertilize the egg during this time, pregnancy can occur. So what is the fertile window then? Although the egg lives for only half a day, sperms can survive inside the female reproductive tract for about 3 to 5 days. That's the miracle of life. Because of this, the fertile window includes the first 5 days before ovulation, the day of ovulation. This means that the fertile window lasts about 5 to 6 days in each cycle. Having intercourse during these days gives the highest chance of pregnancy. How should you identify them? There are several ways to identify or estimate your fertile window. First one is cycle tracking. If cycle is regular, ovulation usually occurs 14 days before the next period. Couples should try intercourse every alternate day during this fertile window. Then there are changes in cervical mucus. Around ovulation, vaginal discharge becomes clear, stretchy, similar to egg white. This mucus helps sperm travel very easily to the egg and indicates very high fertility. So not only this, you also have ovulation predictor kits. These kits detect ovulation by measuring the LH surge, luteinizing hormone surge, which is essential for ovulation and happens about 24 to 36 hours before ovulation. When the test becomes positive, ovulation is about to occur. It is an indication that LH has risen. So ultrasound monitoring is also another very important way. In fertility clinics, doctors monitor follicle growth by ultrasound to identify the exact time of ovulation or around the exact time. So then now you can estimate the best time for intercourse. Couples trying to conceive naturally are advised by doctors to have intercourse every alternate day during this fertile window or intercourse 2 to 3 times during the fertile window at least. Daily intercourse is not always necessary because it can sometimes increase stress as well. The key is timing rather than frequency. So don't make these common mistakes, which include trying only after ovulation, miscalculating the cycle dates, assuming ovulation always occurs on day 14, or waiting too long before seeking medical advice. Women with irregular cycles may have unpredictable ovulation, making it harder to identify fertile days. So, therefore, you should essentially see a fertility specialist when you have all these issues. There are some more issues. If you are under 35 and have tried for a year without success, consult a doctor. If you're over 35 and have tried for 6 months, consult a fertility specialist. Periods are irregular, consult a fertility specialist. There are unknown fertility issues like thyroid, prolactin, so many hormones or tubes are blocked, uterus has a problem. Even then you should consult because every evaluation can save time and improve your success rate. It's very critical that you follow all this to increase your chances of pregnancy. If you wish to know more, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.